How to center text in a table in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. I have this numbers and words in table, but it's not in the center. So what you can do is select all the text inside table and at the top, click on center. After you click on center, it will be in center, but if you have big boxes like mine, it's not going to be in center. So what you can do is select all the text again. After you've selected the text, click on Table Layout at the top. Now, in here in the Alignment section, click on Align Center. After you've clicked on it, it will be in the middle. And this is how to center text in a table in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.